All right, so 2025 is a pretty big year for organic chemistry, right? And so in 2025, this is the 200th anniversary of benzene, right? Benzene, C6H6. So there's 6 carbon atoms arranged in a hexagon shape, and then there's 6 hydrogen atoms on there. So it's unlike cyclohexane, which of course each carbon has 2 hydrogens on it, right? Now it's commonly drawn with this circle inside there because the electrons in benzene, they're not you typically see benzene drawn with alternating double and single bonds or with this circular structure like this. But in fact, those are not alternating double and single bonds. Those are resonant bonds or aromatic bonds. That's because the electrons are delocalized in the benzene, right? And so the electrons are circling all around. Now, the structure of benzene came to us from August Kekule in 1865. Now, benzene was actually discovered in 1825. It was synthesized by Michael Faraday. And actually, it was actually known for a while because I think the name benzene actually comes from gum benzoin, which is actually used since like ancient times all throughout Asia. And it was commonly found in pharmaceuticals and perfumes and that sort of thing because it had kind of an aromatic, an aroma to it. That's where the name aromatic came from. Freidrich August Kekule in 1865 proposed the structure of benzene, and he says it came to him in a dream of a snake biting its own tail, where that kind of illustrates the resonance structure of the benzene, right? Another common structure is seen with the 6 monkeys in a ring holding bananas and passing the bananas to them all throughout the ring, illustrating the electron delocalization of the benzene, right? And so that is benzene. And of course, today we know that all 6 of those bonds are all equivalent, right? They're all aromatic bonds. We've got a nice hexagonal structure of benzene. It is a carcinogen, so I would not recommend keeping around too much. You don't want to breathe in too heavily. And one of my colleagues actually back 50 or so years ago, they used to wash their hands in benzene because, of course, if you're working with a lot of oils, it was very lipophilic. But I don't recommend doing that. Now you know.